A company valued at $1.8 billion. Zero products sold. Zero revenue. But Sam Altman, the man behind ChatGPT, bet $180 million on them. Their goal? Add 10 healthy years to human life. And they just published their first major results. This is Retro Biosciences, and what they're doing could change everything. Retro Biosciences was founded in 2022 by Joe Betts-LaCroix, a serial entrepreneur with a background in physics and biology. The company's thesis is simple but audacious. Aging is a solvable engineering problem, not a philosophical question, not an inevitable decline. A problem with specific mechanisms that can be targeted and reversed. Sam Altman provided the initial $180 million, one of the largest single investments in longevity science ever made. The company's valuation hit $1.8 billion in early 2026 after their Series B round. Their approach has three pillars. Pillar 1, cellular reprogramming. They're using Yamanaka factors, the same proteins that turn adult cells back into stem cells, but in a controlled, partial way. The goal isn't to make your cells embryonic, it's to reset their epigenetic clock while keeping their identity. Think of it like reformatting a hard drive without deleting the operating system. Their latest paper showed they could reduce the epigenetic age of human cells by 8 years in vitro without losing cell function. Pillar 2, autophagy enhancement. Autophagy is your body's cellular recycling system. It breaks down damaged proteins and organelles and rebuilds them fresh. As you age, autophagy slows down dramatically. Retro has identified novel compounds that boost autophagy 3 to 5 times above baseline without requiring fasting or caloric restriction. In mouse models, these compounds reduced age-related protein aggregation by 60% and improved cognitive function in old mice to levels comparable to young adults. Pillar 3, plasma-inspired therapeutics. Based on the parabiosis research, where old mice connected to young mice showed dramatic rejuvenation, Retro is identifying the specific factors in young blood that drive these effects. They've narrowed it down to a cocktail of 7 proteins. In their latest preprint, old mice receiving this cocktail showed improved muscle regeneration, reduced inflammation, and enhanced liver function within 4 weeks. So what's the catch? First, none of this has been tested in humans yet. The reprogramming work is in cell culture. The autophagy compounds are in mice. The plasma factors are in mice. Human trials are planned for 2027 at the earliest. Second, the safety concerns are real. Partial reprogramming, if it goes too far, could cause cancer. Autophagy enhancement could theoretically clear proteins that cells actually need. And plasma factors could have unpredictable effects in complex human biology. But here's why I'm cautiously optimistic. The science is rigorous. The team includes former faculty from Stanford, MIT, and Harvard. They're publishing in peer-reviewed journals, not just press releases. And the 3 pillars attack aging from different angles, which means even if one fails, the others might succeed. The longevity field has never had this much capital, this much talent, and this much scientific foundation all converging at once. Whether Retro specifically succeeds or not, the approach they represent, treating aging as an engineering problem, is the future. Subscribe to stay updated on their human trial results. Download our free protocol to optimize what you can control today. I'll see you in the next one.